Hey guys, welcome back to the very first week of our holiday home challenge, where every single week for 12 weeks we're doing small, tiny things like decluttering and cleaning and decorating and organizing so you can have a beautiful home just in time for the holidays. And today we're starting with clothing. If you haven't already, I'm going to put the link down below so you can download the free 58-page guide. And in it, it's going to have lots of things like, for this challenge, a decluttering checklist for your clothing. I'm going rogue though. I'm not going to follow the checklist. You don't have to either. What we're going to do is start by taking everything out of the closet. If you have a huge walk-in closet, I want you to start just with a section of your closet, but take it out and put it in a pile. The 3 decluttering rules when going through clothing are: have I worn it in the last 12 months? Do I love it? AKA, does this look fabulous on me? And would I buy it again? And if the answer is no, it's gotta go. I also want you to consider, while you're sorting and pulling everything out, to make a pile for clothing that's off season so that all of your fall and winter stuff is up at the front. And if you have a small closet like me, consider relocating all of your summer and off-season stuff to another space under your bed or another closet. The next thing I'm going to do now that I have everything sorted and a huge declutter pile is make some fabulous fall outfits. I'm shopping my closet. This is a great time to do it when you've taken everything out, because we always have things at the back of our closet that we've forgotten about. Sweaters that you forgot you owned that you could pull out now that it's fall. Pair a great shirt with a jean jacket. You know, I'm not a fashionista, but you're getting the idea. I want you to really make some great outfits and think about the holidays too. Do you have something in your closet that you can wear to holiday parties? Create a section in your closet just for that as well, so that every single morning it's going to be so much easier to get ready from now right until the holidays. I'm also going to take some time to go through all of my fall scarves. I love fall scarves, pumpkin spice lattes, and apple picking, and boots. It's definitely my favorite time of the year. So if you also love wearing scarves or have like accessories and outerwear, now is the perfect time to go through it. I'm going to find a spot in my mudroom where I can hang all of my favorite fall scarves so I can just grab them while I'm walking out the door. I totally recommend that you do the same thing. If you're really feeling overwhelmed or you don't know where to start when it comes to organizing and decluttering your clothes, I got you. Don't forget that your 58-page free holiday home guide, I'll put the link down below. It does offer step-by-step decluttering challenges for you. So get rid of 4 pairs of underwear and 2 bathing suits. There's a list which will help stop you from second-guessing, overthinking decluttering your clothes, and it will also motivate you to get rid of more than you ever thought possible. So check out that free guide down below and make sure you follow along every single week. We're going to do a different challenge. Take photos of everything you've decluttered or cleaned or organized, and use the hashtag #HolidayHome when sharing to social media so I can see your progress. And I'm going to put the link to my social media down below so you can follow me too. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you next week for week 2 of our holiday home challenge. Hey guys, thanks so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. I have social anxiety, but I'm not super extreme where, you know, when somebody says enjoy your meal and you say you too at the fast. That doesn't haunt me. You know, I do it and I'm embarrassed, but it doesn't haunt me. But I do have a few things that keep me up at night. And last night I couldn't sleep at all because I was thinking of something that happened 3 years ago that still, I cringe. So I thought I would share it with you. But I have to give you a backstory first about my husband. If the neighbor died in the front yard and Joe saw, he still wouldn't tell me. You know what I mean? He just doesn't communicate well about things. I love him dearly, but small talk is not his forte. And so you just need to know this in the back of your mind. Welcome to story time. You ready for it? Okay, so about 4 years ago, Joe had a coworker who was also a friend he played hockey a couple of times a week with, who was newly married and having a baby. And so when he came home one day, I was like, did they have their baby yet? Did they have their baby yet? And he was like, yeah, a couple of weeks ago. Like, why didn't you tell me? Was it a boy or a girl? And he was like, it's a girl. So I ran to the store and I was shopping for this brand new baby. So I decided to give the gift of baby shoes for this brand new little baby girl. And I went all out because babies. And yeah, it was so cute, like 0 to 3 month little shoes. And I wrapped them up. I brought them home. I showed Joe, I wrapped them up, and I sent them to him to give to work the next day. And like 6 months later, we got invited to this couple's house for dinner, and I hadn't seen the baby and I was so excited. And the baby was wearing braces. And I was like, what happened? And she said that she was born with 2 clubbed feet. And this is a first-time parents, first-time baby, okay? How traumatic. They didn't know. It was a surprise after she was born. And what do we give them? A box of shoes. A box of shoes she could never wear. And I make this face. I didn't know. I'm so sorry. And that mom and I, we shared something for a minute because she was like, we told Joe right away. And I was like, he didn't tell me. And so she knew, no, we're not terrible human beings that knew anyways and gifted shoes. It was a miscommunication because my husband isn't a talker. And, but I still, they've had a second baby. Her firstborn is completely healed and running around wearing lots of gorgeous designer shoes. But I still lay in bed imagining how devastated they were opening up a baby gift of something that their baby could never possibly wear, and what a jerk we are for knowing this and giving them this gift anyways. That is one of the many, 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 many things that keeps me up at night. You know, it haunts me till the day I die. Don't even see these people anymore. They've moved away, but still I think of them often and I die inside of guilt and shame. Let me know in the comments below if you have something that has happened that keeps you up at night too. I'd love to hear about it. We'll see you guys next time.